Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Sunday, December 17, 2010 am. It will take a long time again before individuals could revert to a more accurate interpretation of the divine laws. This religion uses it as a dreadful weapon to settle its economic and political power on most parts of the earth. Through a frightening organization, it is striving to regain its privileges reduced for a few decades. Will man of the 21st century be a victim of it? Wait and see. That organization has dreadful means. It is supported and promoted by the authorities in place, and they are also caught in the movement. Our candidates will continue on the way they choose without being put under pressure from our part. That is not one of our practices. Power is not the objective we pursue. The master in charge works for the Abbasids who trust him. Our practicing candidates do not pledge allegiance to him, neither do they kiss his feet nor his hands, and they are not enslaved by any means. They have only to work for themselves by carrying out the spiritual exercises we advise them to do. Do not become alarmed too much by such and such this catchy and inappropriate campaign. Each one is free to follow in his own heart the way which is convenient to him. Babuji. Monday, December 18th, 2008 am. The medium says, May the grace always take me to your heart and keep my soul delighted as in this moment. When love like a wave overwhelms me, those blessed moments are the jewels of my life. You see what love encourages you to do. In this special state, you write what you could not do otherwise. Do not take out anything. Love lifts up, it provides wings and another dimension to existence. Such intense moments are not frequent. When the soul exults in that way, for short moments, the world does not exist anymore. Thank the two hearts that are dear to us for their heartfelt poetry. May they be blessed. Poetry and love should be expressed. They are particularly lacking in this world. We will not insist more. You need a rest. Meditate, my child. Babuji.